Now the textual sum. There are 10% defective items in a large bulk of items. What is the probability that a sample of 4 items will include not more than 1 defective item? Not more than 1 means maximum 1 must be there. Maximum 1, not more than 1. So 1 or less than 1. So either 0 item or 1 item. Not more than 1 means 0 or 1. Probability that x less than or equal to 1. Already explanation based on this sum over. The question is, what is the probability that a sample of 4 items will include not more than 1 defective item? So x equal to number of defective items. P is probability of defective item, that is 10%. 10% means 10 upon 100, 0.1. That is Q equal to 0.9. What is probability that out of sample of 4 items? So n equal to 4. Not more than 4 items will include not more than 1 defective item. P must be not more than 1. That is x less than or equal to 1. 1 or less than 1. That is, we have to find out probability of x equal to 0 plus probability of x equal to 1. Probability mass function, probability of x equal to x, formula NCx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. X equal to 0. Probability of x equal to 0 is NC0, 4C0, p raised to 0, q raised to n minus 0. Probability of x equal to 1, 4C1, p raised to 1, q raised to n minus 1. This is 0.9. Probability of x equal to 0, probability x equal to 1. Adding both, 4C0, 0.1 raised to 0, 0.9 raised to 4 plus 4C1, p raised to 1, q raised to n minus 1. 4C0 is 1, 0.1 raised to 0 is 1, 0.9 raised to 4 plus 4C1 is 4, 0.1 raised to 1 is 0.1, 0.9 raised to 3. 0.9477.